Your system will run slow if you are running out of disk space. Here I am talking about the system disk volume on which your operating system is installed. About 20 to 25% of your drive should be free for Windows to deal with virtual memory, temporary files, swap files, feature updates, frequent quality updates, etc. To check how much free space is available on your disk volume, simply right-click on the disk volume and select Properties. Here it will show the available free space for that particular disk volume. If the free space on your system disk volume is critically low, then you can free up some space by moving your non-system or personal files to another drive volume or external drive, uninstalling the apps you don't use anymore, configuring storage sense and deleting temporary files, running disk cleanup utility. To move your personal files, navigate to your file location on the disk. Right-click on your file and select Cut. Now navigate to the other drive volume, where you have space. Right-click and select Paste. Your file will be moved to the other drive. Please make sure that you don't move any system files, otherwise your system will crash on the next boot up. If you are no longer using an app, then uninstall it from your system. To do so, in the search bar, type Programs and select Add or Remove Programs. Here you can see a list of apps installed on your system. Find the app that you are no longer using. Click on it, and then click Uninstall. The app will be uninstalled, and this will free some space on the drive. Storage Sense is a Windows assistant that can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. To enable Storage Sense, type Storage in your search bar and click on Turn on Storage Sense. Click on Configure Storage Sense or run it now. Toggle this button on. You can configure to run Storage Sense, as per your requirement, from these options. Checkmark the option, Delete temporary files that my apps aren't using. Here, you can also configure the time for files to reside in recycle bin before getting deleted automatically. You can click Clean Now to free up the space. 1.3 gigabytes of disk space is freed. Disk Cleanup is a computer maintenance utility included in Microsoft Windows designed to free up disk space on a computer's hard drive. To access it, search Disk Cleanup in your search bar and click on it. Select your system drive from the drop-down list and click OK. Now, click on Clean up System Files. Again, select your system drive and click OK. Here you will get a list of files you can select to delete. You can click on them to view their description. You can select Windows Update Cleanup, Temporary Internet Files, Windows Error Reports, Delivery Optimization Files, Recycle Bin, Temporary Files, and Thumbnails from the list. Be sure to clear those checkboxes if you don't want to delete those files. Then click OK. To commence deleting, click Delete Files. Note that these are non-critical system files. Deleting them will not hinder your Windows functionality. Since the Disk Cleanup utility has been deprecated in Windows 10 and Windows 11, you can alternatively use Storage Sense Assistant. Type Storage in your search bar and click on Turn on Storage Sense. Click on Temporary Files. Here, you can find all the list that was offered in the Disk Cleanup utility. Checkmark the files you wish to delete, then click Remove Files. The removal process is complete. All the mentioned steps should free enough space on your system drive volume for Windows to function efficiently. This should improve your system's performance. Thank you for your time and patience. Have a nice day.